This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ghost hunting tools app. To get started, simply download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and allow any requested permissions, such as access to your microphone or camera. This ensures all features, like the EMF meter and EVP recorder, can function correctly. The app is designed to turn your phone into a portable paranormal investigation tool, making it easy to begin your search. Most ghost hunting apps come equipped with several key features. The EMF meter is usually front and center, showing you real-time electromagnetic field readings. A sudden spike could suggest something unusual. You'll also find an EVP recorder, which is crucial for capturing audio that might contain electronic voice phenomena. Some advanced apps even offer a spirit box for sweeping radio frequencies or a radar-like display to visualize potential energy sources around you. Interpreting your readings is key to a successful investigation. When using the EMF meter, look for consistent high readings or sudden, unexplained spikes, which could indicate a paranormal presence. For EVP recordings, listen back intently with headphones, focusing on any whispers, words, or sounds that weren't audible at the time of recording. Always consider your surroundings. Electrical appliances or natural magnetic fields can sometimes cause false positives, so try to rule out mundane explanations first. For the best ghost hunting experience, select locations known for paranormal activity or with a rich history. Always remember to record your entire session, using both the app's features and perhaps an external camera to capture any potential evidence. This documentation is vital for reviewing and sharing your findings. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy hunting and stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.